Throttle cable go. No auxiliary pump. And if you notice, the inside of the carburetor appears to be dry. That tells me it's not getting any fuel in it. Petcock is on. Reserve. It's on. I guess you could go to reserve. Oh, maybe I didn't have that on all the way. I don't know. Yeah, over there. It's supposed to be over there. Maybe I didn't have the petcock on all the way. Does that make a difference? Nah. No way. Well, not flooding yet. Cable. No accelerator pump. Alright. Oh, that hurts. I'm guessing it wasn't running because there's no fuel in the carburetor. That's one of the requirements to make a bike run. You gotta have fuel. There goes the camera. Ah, that hurts. Okay. Oh, jeez, that hurts. Let's try this again with fuel in it. Assuming we got fuel in it. Getting in there now. Let's get a little choke. Throttle cables. Starter button. Ignition. Hey, it runs better with fuel in it. That makes a big difference. See, it didn't take no effort at all to make it run. Put fuel in the damn thing, dumbass. Hey, everything's working now. Okay, where'd the button go? It sucks. Okay. It runs. What a shocker. There's nothing wrong with the motor. Oh, problem with the rider. Then I'll turn the petcock on. Yeah, there's the problem. Yeah, you must have fuel. I don't know why that compression release is on. That's kind of weird. Okay, no oil drippage. Not bad for sitting for 2.5 months. 3 months? How long has it been? I don't know. Can't count that high. 2.5 months at least. That ain't bad. I do not remove tag. Has to be re-inspected to race again. Okay. Powertrain's good. The vibrating dirt off of everything. There's the mirage for you. It came from under there. Packed in pretty good. That's part of the lake bed. I guess somewhere underneath that footboard it hit something, scooped up a little dirt. What a shocker. Okay, it runs a lot better when you put fuel in it. Alright, we'll just stuff a rag in that. I'm not going to put the air cleaner back on. There's a bunch of dirt vibrating down from everywhere. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and clean the dirt up a little bit. Started up pretty good. Looks like the dipstick was leaking a little bit of oil up there from the race. The oil's returning. See the foam? I got half a tank there. Probably not much more than I ran with it. I never fill these tanks up for racing. Half a tank's enough. I know to do it. Alright, the battery's good too. Does a lot of cranking. Alright, well, except for the dumbass down there trying to petcock on, we're good. Good thing I don't need the fuel tank capped off. But I do need a fuel tank. A bit of a dent in it. Alright, so that all looks good. Alright, the wheel doesn't roll because the fender's banged into it. We've got to take that all apart. Alright, well, at least we know it runs good. There wasn't much doubt about that. That's the Harley part. The Harley part works, just the Indian part is bad. So, alright, we've got to clean all this up. We'll be back.